Hello everyone! Start off by drawing two pairs of lines on a sheet of paper and then connect each side of it. Now connect the two, making a semicircular shape as such. Add eyes to it. At the top of it, add a snowman hat. Then underneath it, add a scarf as such. Draw on some sticks to signify the hands of the snowman. Once you are done, color the hat and the scarf with red. Next, start off by drawing a lotus-like shape. That is, draw many petal-like shapes and join them all together with the same center. Add the stem to it and then underneath it, add it on a little circular shape. That is the lotus leaf. Now right beside it, add two lotus buds as well. Next, start off by making sure that they look like buds. Make the other one look like it is slightly sprouting. At the bottom, add the lines to your little pole. Connect the circle to the outside as such. Add a small little insect at the top to make it look like it is coming to feed it. We have chosen to add a little dragonfly to it. Add the body of the dragonfly as well. Next, start off by drawing a long opposite V shape as such. Add eyes and then draw lines to signify the hair. That is not how you do it. Instead, start off by drawing the face, add ears to it, and then add multiple curvy lines to signify the hair. Now, around this, add the top part of the hair. Add a little bow to it. Once you are done, draw the top of the dress and then draw a poofy skirt for this dress. Add on the hands to it as such. Once you are done with this, continue on to draw the footwear of the little girl. Add on the fancy shoes with little bows to it. Color it in as you please. Now we'll be drawing a little bird. Start off by attaching the number 3 and 4 together. Outline it and then connecting to the 3, make a little bird's tail out of it. Add the top of the bird and then add a little beak as well. Color it in places you feel needs to be colored in. Add on the wings and then add the legs to it. Add the beak. Make multiple circles on a sheet of paper. Around the first circle, make a flower-like shape. Moving on to the second circle, add a little pokey top to it that looks like a crown. On one of the sides, add multiple circles as such. This will look like a bitten fruit. Add a spiky top to the third circle. After adding the spikes, add multiple lines to your fruit as such. Make them checked lines so that it looks like a pineapple. Now, moving on to the fourth circle, add an oval shape right in the center. Around this oval shape, add differently sized lines. Go the entire circle and then it should be the inside of a kiwi. Now, moving on to a fifth circle, add a circle on one end of it and then add lines around it. Connect it to the outside as well. As for the last piece, add lines around it and then add multiple dots to it. Color it in as you please. Next, start off by drawing a somewhat rectangular shape on a piece of paper. As for the bottom of this rectangular shape, make it into a multiple curved line. Then add a door to this. This will be a house. Add the bottom of the house as well and then add windows to it. On top of the roof, add a little chimney and then show that smoke is coming out of the chimney. Add the bark of a tree and then add the top of the tree as well. Add multiple branches as such and then add multiple bushes. Add trees to the other end as well and then add some clouds to the top. You may also add a little pathway leading to the door. We have chosen to do this in the form of little pebbles as such. Add multiple of these and then make them colored. Next, start off by drawing this particular shape on a piece of paper. Underneath it, add some curvy lines to signify water. Now, on top of it, add multiple squares and rectangles to it as such. On the wider end, add a little flag onto it. This will be a boat. Thank you for watching.